Hello students, welcome to Get Set Law. So NLSAT form is out for NLSIU Bangalore. So those of you who want to pursue 3-year LLB and are targeting NLSIU Bangalore, NLU Bangalore for this program, 3-year LLB program. So NLSAT is the examination that you have to appear for. The forms for the academic cycle 25-26 is out, and in today's video we'll be talking about the form filling guidelines. I'll be helping you out through your form filling. This video will be there to help you out to fill out your form for NLSAT examination. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. This will be a very helpful video for you all. So first of all, let's move to some basic information about the examination. So last date to register for this examination is 23rd of March. So make sure that you registered before this date. Let's not wait for the last date to come in. Let's register and complete our application form if we are targeting this examination. The exam date is 27th of April and exam will happen from 10 AM to 12:30 PM. So this is the designated time in which your exams will happen. The form fees is 2500 for general category candidates and 2000 for reserved category candidates. Total seat offered for 3-year LLB program including reservation and everything is 120 seats. Final admission list, offering admission to the students will be declared in the end week of May. So you have to wait till May for the final admission list. And if we talk about the eligibility, so the students who are currently in your final year of undergraduation program, again I'm repeating, it's the undergraduation program, graduation program, and not the diploma program. So diploma is not considered, and those who are in their final year or those who have completed, they are eligible to appear for this examination. Now let's move ahead to the documents requirement. So when we talk about this examination, you need quite a few documents. So I suggest that prepare this document. You have time as of now and keep it handy before you fill out the form. So first of all, you will need a colored passport size photograph, scan copy of that, your government ID proof, any government ID proof, your PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, any government ID proof, photo government ID proof, then your 10th mark sheet, your 12th mark sheet, your undergraduation degree mark sheet. If you have a provisional degree, if you have completed, this is specifically for those who have completed their undergraduation. If you have a provisional mark sheet, if you have a final mark sheet, so that final degree certificate is required. Those who have not completed, it will not be required for them. Those your graduation mark sheet, the transcripts, the semester grades, that the grade card, that is required in the scan copy of transcript or mark sheet. So even for those who have completed or those who are appearing, your transcripts or the mark sheet is required. Apart from it, you will also need to upload a CV. So this CV will contain your basic information like your educational background, academic excellence, extracurricular excellence, any competitions that you have participated, any extracurricular activities that you have undertaken. So anything that is there, any achievement of yours, you have to put it in your CV and keep that CV handy for the form filling of NLSAT, right? So these are the documents that are required. Now let's move ahead to the form, to actually filling out the form, right? So first of all, you have to visit the NLSAT website. The link for this website, I have mentioned it in the description of this video. So you just have to go and click on the description. You have to open the description and you have to click on the link that is mentioned in the description, and you will reach to a page like this. Here you will get the admission notification, last date, and for the registration, when your registration starts and everything. So on this page, in this page, when you reach this page, here you have to click on register button first. You will not be able to log in because we have not created our profile here first. So you have to click on register button. When you click on register, page like this will come up where you have to fill out your name, mobile number, email address, and then finally you have to click on the registration, this register button. Once you register, it will take you to your email ID. In your email ID, you will get your username and your password. Then again, you are supposed to visit this first page. You are supposed to put in your username, your password here, the password that is given in the mail, that your registered mail, you will receive the password. And when you put in the password and everything, it will take you to a page where they will ask you to create a new password, not the password that they had sent, but create a new password. So you can create a new password and then you can change your password here. When you change your password, it will take you to this final page where we will start our application for the NLSAT exam. So in this page, you have to click here, apply for 3-year LLB honors. So there are other examinations that are happening simultaneously. We will click on this button, that is apply for 3-year LLB examination. And then it will take you to a page where you have to fill out your basic information. So first of all, you have to upload a photograph of yours, fill out your name, mobile number, nationality, contact details, gender, and then you have to upload your ID proof here. Click on the upload button, select your ID proof and upload it. And then you have to fill out your family details, your father's name, your mother's name, occupation, email ID, mobile number, everything you're supposed to fill out. Then your address for correspondence. So correspondence, where you are currently staying, fill out that detail here. And eventually they will ask you for your class 10th details, class 12th details, your graduation details in your academic qualification tab. So make sure that you are filling out all these details. You have to upload your mark sheets here. For class 12, you will get this button. For class 10th, you will get a button here to upload the mark sheet. If let's say during the form you are getting stuck somewhere, you will get a button to save this as a draft. So your application form will be saved till the place you have completed it. So make sure that you are saving the information that you have filled in before you finally submit your application form. Then you have to fill in your 12th details, your undergraduation details if you have completed it. So here you have to upload the final UG certificate. Here you have to upload your mark sheets and transcripts, everything here. And if you have any other educational qualification, let's say you have also completed your masters, so you can fill it out here. Finally, they will ask you for your employment history. So this means that whether after completing your degree, if you were working, if you also have a work ex, so they are asking you that. Let's say if you select yes, they will ask you for the number of years of work ex that you have. Then finally, they will ask you for the reservation. So if you have any of the reservation, if you are eligible for any of the reservation, you can say yes, otherwise it will be not applicable or no in this case. Then finally, they will ask you for 3 test preference. Since I am located in Mumbai, so I have filled out Mumbai, Gandhinagar and Bhopal. You can accordingly fill it out as per your the center that is nearby your city. Check out the entire list and fill out the center that is nearest to your place of residence, right? And then finally they will ask you for other information like where did you hear about the NLSAT 3-year LLB program. You can select the list, select one from the list, and then they will ask you to upload your curriculum vitae, that is your CV. And then finally you have to check on these 2 boxes where you are undertaking that the details that you have filled out are correct, are true. Once you have filled out every detail, then only you will be able to click this submit application form. Otherwise you will not be able to click on this submit application form. Once you complete everything, click on the submit application form. Once you submit it, a page like this will open up where you will see your application number, your category, your name, exam that you are appearing, and the form status. Only thing now that is left is making the payment. So you have to click on this button to make the payment, and once you click on make the payment, it will take you to the payment page where you can select the option through which you want to make the payment, credit card, UPI, debit card, any form, net banking, and finally make the payment and your application form will be done. So for this, for the entire completing your application form, the date that is available is 23rd of March. So make sure that you are completing your application form before the due date. You're not waiting till the last date, because generally last date you might face some difficulty, and let's not wait out till the end. So this was all with respect to NLSAT form filling guidelines. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. Do let me know if you have any specific question where you are getting stuck while filling out the form in the comment box. I'll try to help you out, answer you there. And if you want me to make a detailed video about your preparation strategy for this examination, do let me know in the comment box. If this video was helpful to you while filling out the NLSAT form, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. Thank you.